Use a linear approximation or differentials to estimate the given number. Well, if we take a look at this, we can see that f of x would equal a variable x raised to the 2/3 power. And the value of a is going to be the number 8. So if we write out our linearization form, this is going to be f of 8 plus f prime of 8 times x minus 8. So we know that f of x is going to equal x to the 2/3, which is the same thing as the cube root of x, and then we could square it. F prime of x is 2/3 times x to the negative 1/3, and that can be written as 2/3 times the cube root of x. So now what we want to do is we want to find f of 8. So that means we're going to take the cube root of 8 and then we're going to square it. Well, what we have to cube to get 8 is 2, and then when we square 2, we're going to get 4. And then f prime of 8 is going to equal 2/3 times the cube root of 8. Well, the cube root of 8 is 2, so we can simplify the 2's to get 1/3. Okay, now we're going to write our linearization form. So L of x is going to equal f of 8, which we found to be 4, plus f prime of 8, which is 1/3, times x minus 8. So this is going to equal 4 plus 1/3 x minus 8/3. And this is 12/3 plus 1/3 x minus 8/3. So L of x is going to equal 1/3 x plus 4/3. Okay, so now that we have that, then we now know that x to the 2/3 is going to be approximately 1/3 x plus 4/3, and that's when x is near 8. So we can say that 8.06 to the 2/3 is approximately 1/3 times 8.06 plus 4/3, which equals 12.06/3, which is equal to 4.02. And let's go ahead and verify our result. So if we take 8 and then raise it to 2 divided by 3, 8.06 to the exponent of 2 divided by 3, and we get 4.02 if we round it to 2 decimal places.